Welcome back to the InScentive collection. I'm your host Brandon, and today we are getting into another fragrance from Mancera. Okay, Mancera. In particular, we have Amore Caffè. All right, Amore Caffè. Just from the blurbs I've seen, it's going to be great for the fall. So let's check it out. All right, let's check it out. I love it when samplers have like note breakdowns. It's great. So Amore Caffè, we're gonna go ahead and unsheath this thing. All right, look at the color. Yeah, I like the color. That's not bad. Won't focus, you'll just have to imagine. All right, so let's open this up. We have Warm and Sweet Gourmand. Warm and Sweet Gourmand. There is the actual fragrance there. All right, so now you've seen what it looks like. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this in the spirit. And I have no preconceived notions on what this is or what it's gonna smell like, so, oh wow, look at that. I think that's enough. There's a lot there. A lot there. Oh, okay. Whoa. That smells exactly like coffee. All right, so you have affogato of fragrance, astringent espresso, whipping of lush sweet cream twist with a hint of amaretto, and speculoos on a bed of amber, vanilla, and brown sugar. Notes: you have coffee, amaretto, liqueur, vanilla, brown sugar. This smells like all of those things, like exactly. Fragrantica says it is sweet vanilla gourmand. I'm sorry, sweet vanilla, coffee, almond, fruity, and warm spice. Their note breakdown is coffee in the top notes, coffee, amaretto. In the middle notes, ice cream. I definitely smell ice cream. And speculoos in the base, brown sugar, vanilla, and ambergris. Now, this, I'm not saying it doesn't smell good. It smells exactly like what it is. And to me, that's kind of fringe, right? It's like, I've seen fragrances that smell like cheeseburgers or pizza. You know, it's like, I don't know if that's like a gimmicky type of thing or if it's something that people really want to smell like. Coffee is good. It's refreshing in the mornings. I don't know if you'd want to smell like coffee at like 3 p.m. Now, back to the fragrance, which still have a little bit of sheen here. You know, that's always good for potency. It's very sweet. It's like, it's, you know, like in the morning, well, I'm sorry, you know in those commercials when the Folgers and ladies have like the big cup and they're like, and they just kind of, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what this smells like. This smells like the way they look like they're smelling in those commercials. It's very sweet, it's very strong, it's very potent. It's very ice cream, it's very coffee and vanilla. Those are exactly what this smells like. Personally, I would say this is definitely a feminine fragrance. I don't know many men that want to smell like ice cream, you know. Not that that's a bad thing, you know, whatever floats your boat. I would say this is more feminine. Now, as far as this being on a lady, would I enjoy it? This smells very entry level. Like it's, this smells like a free fragrance that they would probably like give away or you would win in some vending machine or something like that. It, again, these are just my opinions, my initial thoughts. Maybe it develops, maybe it improves, which have happened with some of the other Mancera fragrances. Check out the channel, I have a couple on there. But yeah, this seems more like a novelty item. It doesn't necessarily smell like, you know, a creative, well, it's definitely creative, but like, it doesn't necessarily smell, I wouldn't necessarily expect, I don't know how to say this without coming off as like, I don't know if I would take you seriously if you wore this. You know, like, I don't see this in a very, very nice dress or a nice suit. Not every fragrance is for that, right? But this seems even below like a casual performing type of fragrance. Is it good? Do I like it? I think it's okay. It's a bit stringent, and it does say in here that it's astringent. Yes, astringent espresso. So I think this is more for, you know, a specific person. I think if this is your vibe, if this is your jam, if you like coffee notes, if you want to smell like coffee, I think you will love this. As far as coffee goes, I mean, 10 out of 10. I haven't smelled anything that's exactly like coffee like this, but I wouldn't necessarily buy this for somebody. If you know somebody who absolutely loves coffee and has coffee beans that they like to ground up and maybe keeps them like in their pocket, they would love this. So I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, have you tried Amore Caffè? Amore, isn't that love? Amore. Have you tried Amore Caffè? Have you tried it? What do you think of it? Are you a fan of Mancera's fragrances? What do you think? One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations on the channel. Check them out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.